What's the meaning of amphora? Amphora. 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 Amphora.
An amphora is a type of ancient Greek or Roman container that was used to store and transport various goods, such as wine, oil, and grain. It is typically made of clay and has a narrow neck and two handles for easy carrying. Amphorae were commonly used in trade and commerce during ancient times and are often depicted in works of art from that era. Today, they are still valued as historical artifacts and are often studied by archaeologists and historians to gain insights into ancient civilizations and their practices.